guys, today me and my cousin are filming a YouTube video. I'm just gonna join her right now. I'm just gonna wait.
Dapat lagyo ano ito.
She's on her house, so she can. I'm just gonna join her right now. Okay. So guys, it's very rainy here, and now here is my brother, but she's on her alt account, her noob account, so you cannot see her ultra account. So now let's Miko, Miko, me. Miko, Miko, me. Oh hell nah! Guys, I fell! I just fell. Now I bet my brother is gonna troll me. Right now. Where are you? I don't know. Where is my manong, so I'm gonna go here and check out where is he. Bro, where are you? You cannot see her voice. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh my god, no guys. Lonely, lonely. Are you so lonely? Did you fall? Hello? I am not calling her right now. So, yeah, you cannot see her voice because she didn't have a voice reveal yet. So, no, you think. No, thank you. So, she has like sis, but I think she did a face reveal. Oh my god, I fell 12 inches away. Miku, Miku, me. I love you, person. I love you. Oh, I am lagging. Where are you? I am lagging. Maybe I'm gonna reset first. I'm gonna reset, so maybe it's not good. I am lagging, guys, so I need to like yeah, so I am gonna join her back. He is doing her alt account anyway, guys, so yeah, sure. Going to use her noob alt account. Ang cellphone dalaga. Pupuli mo, Nay? Ha? Ah, alas unsa? Alas unsa? Ha?
Birthday man nila mo pinauuna.
Muadto ka?
Ha?
Ay, uday no?
Sao na lay magkadit ka sa kuan birthday. Sa cemetery din palitan tin.
Oh, dito na punta.
Dili,
Asa ka mag-celebrate?
Nawa ka?
Oh, yes.
Ato sa kuan kay kuan. Ara kuan kay kuan.
What? I'm meeting her right now, guys. Meeting her.
Say she's stereo, what the fuck? Ano kaya sa box